right, so we got our next print done, and man, oh man, was this was a big whoopsie in the middle of the night. So this is a Halloween dragon. I still have to print the stand for it, but last night you can see at like 4 a.m. there was 30 minutes left on this print. The Prime Tower decided to just come off of the bed. I have no idea why. You can see it looks like it has good adhesion. The build plate was washed before I even did this print, so I have no idea. Everything else stuck well, but for whatever reason, the Purge Tower, Prime Tower, came unstuck, started spaghetti stringing, and the unfortunate thing is there's no way to skip this. So what I did was, for the last half hour in the middle of the night, I just kept fixing it. So it was basically printing on the Prime Tower, and it would move a little, and then I'd go in there and I'd fix it. And I did that for literally a half hour because I didn't want to lose the print. It was done everything, and it was up to like this part. Like it had to do this tip. Let me just remove this thing. I don't even think you can see where it like stopped. You can't even like see the part where it like had the little stoppage. Usually you can see where it stopped, but it was like right around here, and then it had to do like this, finish that. Also, I got this like little selfie stand for the phone, so I could put my phone in there and it'll be easier to like record videos and stuff now. So I was able to fit two of these, like two complete models, on the H2D build plate. We do have a little bit of stringiness. That was where, yeah, right there, you can kind of see it. I guess you probably can't see it on camera, but I didn't use any, oh, that's a cool effect. Look at that. Wow, that's actually really cool. Like through the light, you can see this, like, that's awesome. I didn't use any brim on any of these pieces, but there was brim on this, and we got the heads. And then I think this is the jawline. I don't even know how this goes. All right, ladies and gents, so we got this bad boy finished. Check this out. Dragon Halloween pumpkin guy. Look at that. That looks amazing. It came out so good. Printed it with the H2D. I absolutely love this machine. This H2D, man. Absolutely love this machine. I wish I had like 10 of these. If I had 10 of these, oh my gosh. I am excited though for the new one that's going to be even better. I was trying to print some storage for some minis that I'm going to start printing, so I have to probably put the speed down. I don't know what happened. It was coming out good, and then before you know it, it was just spaghetti stringed when it was doing the edges. I have no idea. What else do I got to do? I got an order on Etsy for a light switch. I have to print that. It's a dragon eye light switch, so I'll show that in a little bit. Other than that, we got our shows coming up soon. In a couple weeks, our Halloween shows. So I still got to print the antique characters for this, and I'm going to probably put them in the storage that I have. Other than that, the plan is I'm going to print the light switch for my Etsy order on the H2D like I always do, the Dragon Eye one. And then I'm going to have the X1C start printing the storage, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the A1 yet. And I still have ordered, actually I ordered some more of the PLA 2.0 Plus from Sunlu, the white one. I ordered like 4 more rolls to help make the storage. And then we also got this really cool thing. Let me show this off. I have to build this. I got this marble impact racing. So I have a really cool idea that I want to do with this, and I'm going to incorporate this with the 3D printing. So yeah, once I get this built and stuff like that, we'll talk more about that when we get to that point. But yeah, other than that, still chugging along, still printing stuff. All right, so this is done. Look at that. Wow, it came out really, really good. The dragon eye. This is the front of the light switch. I just gotta print the back of it, but take a look at this bad boy as it falls all over the place. And we got this. We're gonna have to clean these up. I don't know why that happened. Just some random like purple just got stuck there. I really don't know what happened on that one. So we got a lot of cleaning up to do, but that should be fine. This one came out exceptionally well. Just need to hit this with the blowtorch. But yeah, I don't know why. Look at that. This one has all these like purple pieces, and we have the prime tower. Usually this happens when we don't have a prime tower. And then when I do have a prime tower, it usually comes out super clean. So that's a little bit annoying, but nonetheless, I just gotta clean it up, do some clippings and stuff. Oh yeah, why is it even on the back? That's weird. It's also just on the back randomly. Wow. So we gotta really like clean this one up. But man, this filament is so nice. Look how shiny it is in the sun. Take a look. That's so shiny. Came out really nice. And we got these things right here too. Yep, I gotta get to cleaning that. I got a lot to do. All right, ladies and gents, I'm finishing the video up. We've got our anti-fire hydrants printing right now, a whole army of these. About half of these are going to be keychains, and then the other half are just going to be regular little figures. I printed the hands and the little feet already on the X1C Maxi. So this is what we got left for this. We are gearing up for our shows that are coming up. I was running very low on regular red, so I went ahead and I used the translucent red that I had because I had a whole entire brand new filament roll. So it looks really cool. I like the translucent effect that you get. It almost gives it that like silky look. So I actually think I might be leaning more towards getting more of this translucent filament for like different colors, because it just gives it a really different effect and different like style to it, as opposed to just the regular red or regular blue, just like regular colors. That is it. Peace.